Hello everyone, hope all of you are doing extremely well. I'm Nabesh and I welcome you to this wonderful virtual event called Balakala Utsavam, which is organized by none other than the brand of repute called Tejaswini, which is a socio-cultural organization that always provides platform to talents from all across the Indian territory. Well, we wish each and everyone out there a very happy Children's Day. There is a children that reside within all of us, therefore let's celebrate the occasion. And on the occasion of Children's Day, Tejaswini is organizing this wonderful event called Balakala Utsavam. So let's begin the show. Dear viewer, it's time to welcome onto this platform of Balakala Utsavam our guest of honor, eminent theatre and film personality, none other than Mr. Prajwal Hoikia. He is the former executive board member of Sangeet Natak Academy and expert committee member of National School of Drama, our esteemed guest of honor.
On the occasion of Children's Day on 14 November, Tejaswini, an inspiring classical dance organization, is going to organize a national children's dance festival where the children from all over India will be participating. I extend my best wishes to Tejaswini's organization head, a Bharatanatyam exponent, Bhanu Rasmi.
On the occasion of Children's Day, Balakala Utsavam welcomes on board students of Dr. Malika Gondoli and they are performing Guru Vandana and Gopinash, a Hotriya dance recital, and the students of Parampara Prava, yes, Jigyasa Moral, Mursara Kakoti, Ishita Bhuya, Shravani Phukon and Abhilasha Das. dear viewer, it's time to welcome on board students of Guru Sumire Borua Kalanjali Dance Academy, and they shall perform Bharatanatyam in front of you. And the students are Shivangi Kaishap, Bonashmita Deka, Trishani Rajbankhi. They have done so many stage shows and school programs. They also take keen interest in art and drawing, playing football, singing. But here on the platform of Balakala Utsavam, they are going to perform Bharatanatyam, another recital.
Tajam tajam tajunudam tagajunudam tatom tagadom kita tagadajunudam tagajunudam tajam tajam kita tagadajunudam tagajunudam tatom tagadom kita tagadajunudam tagajunudam tajam tajam kita tagadajunudam tagajunudam tatom tagadom kita tagadajunudam tagajunudam tajam tajunudam tagajunudam tatum dadudum kita tagadajunudam tagajunudam tajunudam kita tagadajunudam tagajunudam tajam tarigida tagadhim tajam tarigida tagadum tajam tarigida taganam tajam tarigida tagadam tajam tarigida tagadhim tajam tarigida tagadum tajam tarigida taganam tajam tarigida tagatam tarigida dim tarigida dum tarigida dum tarigida dam tarigida dhim tarigida dum tarigida nam tarigida tagat taridajam tagat taridajam tagat taridajam tagadum 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 tarigida tarigida dhum tarigida nam tarigida dhim 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 tadim tatajam tatanam tataru tarigida tarigida dhum tarigida nam tarigida dhim dhim tadim tatajam tatanam tataru tarigida tarigida dhum tarigida nam tarigida dhim dhim tadim tatajam tatanam tataru takajanu takatam taridaga jomu dagada janu takadimita jomu dagadimita dimita katam dimidagada talang dagado ditalang dagado talang dagado dagada digina tonta
And after that group performance, let us have a look at a duet dance recital, Bharatanatyam, to be performed by Ankita Ray and Snigdhashri Kankanala. Both the students of Tejaswini, and both have been performing in various platforms under the guidance-ship of their guru, Bhanu Rashmi. Well, Ankita Ray is of 11 years of age and she studies in Standard 6. Her hobbies are dance and art. Her debut performance was at the age of 8 and she performed at Doordarshan PPC, followed by various shows, and important shows include Sri Sri Madhavdev Auditorium in the National Kala Utsav, and also performed in various dance competition of Kala Utsavam. And besides that, she has performed in Banka Talent Hunt event, which has been organized by a reputed bank, and have performed in several shows. She is also winner of many art competition. Whereas Snigdhashri Kankanala is of 10 years of age. She studies in class 6 too, and her hobbies are dancing and reading books. Her debut show was also at Doordarshan PPC while she was at the age of 8, and her other shows include Sri Sri Madhadev Auditorium in the National Kala Utsavam, and also performed in the dance competition of Kala Utsavam, which has been organized by Tejaswini. So let's have a look at this duet performance. Now let's welcome Munmi Razbonki, Upahna Borwa, Zerifa Hussain, Tanaya Burman, Vailina Burman, Rikusmita Horma, Gargi Besh Borwa, and Jigyasa P. Bordoloi, and they are going to perform on the virtual platform of Balakala Utsavam, which is organized by none other than Tejaswini, a socio-cultural organization of repute, and they are going to perform Mati Ahora. And these are the wonderful and talented students of Jhumur Kala Kendra, and their guru is none other than Moshumi Bora, a prolific Hotriya exponent and Bihu Homraggi. Let's present Mati Ahora.
swa tao di di nao tak di tao tak tao di nao tak hat dhori salona khitta nitta khititini tak dina nitta khitta nitta khitta nitta khititini tak jatoni tao di nao tak ke dei khitta tak ke tao di nao tak pani hisa kita nita kititini tak dina nita kita nita kititini tak homo khale jalak kita kita dheya kitei dau di dheya kita dheya kita dheya kitei dau di dheya kita dheya kita dheya kitei dau di dheya kita dheya kitei dau tini tia jalak kita dheya kitei dau di dheya kita dheya kita dheya kitei dau wahasota tani tani dau khitta tani tani dau khitta ta ki dhei jinna tani khiosota baurasota takiti dau takiti dau hey takiti dau takiti dau takiti dau akolpat tau gidi nau takiti kiti tau takiti tau gidi nau tak uddhasata di na kitti na dei kit di na kitti na dei kit bagjab jittei kit jittei jittei kit gedi pak kit jittei tak tau kit tau tak ke dhei kit etiasota tak ke thei tak ke thei dutyasota dau ta kit dhei na dhei na kit dhei dau ta kit dhei na dhei Kiamurga tani ta kirata dani ta kirata kitti tani ta kirata kati muruga dina ngana kirkita dina ngana kirkita atua satrauli ta dheni ta dhinau khitti ta dheni ta khitta dheni ta khirata khitti tani ta khirata dheni ta khirata khitti tani ta khirata
Now let us have a look at another dance recital, Mohiniyattam, to be performed by Pooja Shankar, who is from Mumbai. And Pooja has been passionate about communicating through dance. Her astute sense of rhythm and subtle expression motivated her parents to expose her to formal dance training. And Pooja's journey into Mohiniyattam commenced at the age of 10 under the tutelage of Guru Srimati Jayashree Nair from Mumbai. And at the age of 11, she came under the guidance of Srimati Geeta Vijay Shankar Mumbai, with whom she continues to learn this divine art form. This is her first Mohiniyattam dance performance. We wish you all the best, and this virtual platform is all yours. Besides Mohiniyattam, Pooja is pursuing Bharatanatyam for the last 9 years. She commenced learning this dance form under the tutelage of Srimati Jayashree Nair Mumbai and is now pursuing under the guidance of Guru Srimati Kala Srinivasan.
Namaskar. A K.C. Keshava Pillai composition, a dedication to Lord Krishna. The devotee wishes to see the Lord's beautiful Rupa in front of her always. She further depicts the Lord's naughtiness when he is surrounded with his friends. And as we all know, he is the famous Makhan Chor. Finally, she surrenders herself wholeheartedly to the Lord, a complete samarpan to the Lord's lotus feet. Manasi Karuna in Ragam Kamboji, set to Mishra Chapu Talam. In Mohiniyattam style, choreography by Guru Srimati Geeta Vijay Shankar. Before I begin my performance today, I would like to seek the blessings of my Guru, parents and all well-wishers. I would also like to thank Srimati Bhanu Rashmi for giving me this opportunity to perform live in their YouTube channel today. Thank you.
मनसी करुण कलर्नि नाथ मुरहर परिकायम मुनि मनसी करुण जननी मम മഴം കീഴൊളിയാമിൻ മൂർത്തി അഴലീലം ആശു തീർത്തി മഴം കീഴൊളിയാമിൻ മൂർത്തി അഴലീലം ആശു തീർത്തിടേണം മഴം കീഴൊളിയാമിൻ മൂർത്തി അഴലീലം ആശു തീർത്തിടേണം മഴം കീഴൊളിയാമിൻ മൂർത്തി കടൽ കേശവ മൗലിയെ ചാത്തിമേൽ കടൽ കേശവ മൗലിയെ ചാത്തിമേൽ കനിവാഴ്ക ശുഭ കീർത്തി സദാ കനിവാഴ്ക ശുഭ കീർത്തി സദാ മനസി കരുണ കലർന്നു മുരകര പരിചയം മുനി
So, dear viewer, you have already witnessed wonderful performances by wonderful talents. Some group performance, some duet performance, and a solo performance. That brings to the end of day 1 of Tejaswini Presents Balakala Utsavam. Wishing once again a very happy Children's Day. But remember, we are not done yet. We'll see you soon, and in fact, we are seeing you the following day, day 2 of Tejaswini Presents Balakala Utsavam, where we shall welcome more talents onto this virtual platform, where they will showcase their dance performances, their recitals. So, see you on the following day. Thank you so very much.